Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. You can also get more details from our website at www.livehive.com. If you're spending money on advertisements to reach your target demographic, make sure you're spending it wisely. That is, someplace with more than 259 million unique visits each day and 4.8 billion daily interactions, somewhere such as Google. Google Ads was created barely 2 years after Google.com, the world's most popular website. The advertising platform first appeared in October 2000 as Google Adwords. However, it was renamed Google Ads in 2018, following the significant rebranding. Given Google's extensive reach, chances are you've seen a Google ad, and your potential customers have as well. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is Google's paid internet advertising network. Google AdWords was renamed Google Ads in 2018 as a search engine firm revamped the program. The essential operation stays the same. When users search a term, their query results appear on a search engine results page, or SERP. For example, among the results might be a sponsored advertisement that targeted that term. Why advertise on Google? Google is the most popular search engine, with over 5 billion searches every day. Not to mention that the Google Ads platform has been in operation for nearly 2 decades, giving it significant clout in the paid advertising space. Google is a search engine that people use worldwide to ask inquiries, which are then answered using a combination of sponsored adverts and organic results. Furthermore, Google claims that advertisers earn $8 for every dollar spent on Google Ads, so there are a few reasons why you should consider Google advertising. What is the procedure for using Google Ads? Google Ads will show your advertisement to possible leads or customers interested in your product or service. Advertisers bid on search phrases or keywords, and the winning bids appear at the top of the search results page, on YouTube videos, or relevant websites, depending on the sort of ad campaign chosen. Numerous aspects influence your capacity to develop successful and high-performing Google Ads. In this guide, we'll go over them: quality score and ad rank. Ad rank affects the placement of your advertising, and quality score is one of 2 elements that decide your ad rank, the other being the bid amount. Remember that your quality score is based on the quality and relevancy of your ad, which Google calculates by the number of people that click on your ad when it is displayed. Your CTR. Your CTR is determined by how effectively your ad meets searcher intent, which may be determined by 3 factors: the relevance of your keywords if your ad copy and CTA deliver, what the searcher expects based on their search, and the user experience. When you first start your Google ad campaign, even before you increase your bid amount, you should pay the greatest attention to your QS. The higher your QS, the lower your acquisition costs, and the better your positioning. Location. When you initially create a Google ad, you'll choose a geographic area where your ad will appear. If you have a physical storefront, it should be within a reasonable radius of your physical location. If you have an e-commerce business and material goods, your area should be set to where you ship. If you offer a service or product that is available globally, the sky is the limit. Your location settings will influence payment. For example, if you own a yoga studio in San Francisco, someone searching for a yoga studio in New York will not see your results, regardless of ad rank. This is because Google's primary goal, even when you pay, is to offer the most relevant results to searchers. Keywords. Keyword research is equally vital for sponsored advertisements as it is for organic search. Your keyword should be as close to the searcher's purpose as possible. This is because Google matches your ad with search queries depending on the keywords you specified. Each ad group in your campaign will target a small collection of keywords. 1 to 5 keywords is ideal, and Google will display your ad depending on those picks. Types of matches. Match type allows you a bit more leeway in your keyword selections by telling Google whether you want to match a search query exactly or if your ad should be shown to anyone with a semi-related search query. There are 4 different types of matches to pick from. The default setting is broad match, which uses any word in your keyword phrase in any order. So, for example, goat yoga in Oakland will match yoga Oakland or yoga. You could use modified broad match to lock in specific terms within a keyword phrase by designing them with a plus sign. At the very least, your matches will include that locked-in term. Phrase match will return results for queries that include your keyword phrase in the precise sequence you specified, but may also include additional terms before or after it. Precise match keeps your keyword phrase in the exact order that you typed it. If you're just getting started and don't know how your persona will search, switch from a broad match to a more restricted approach so you can test which searches produce the greatest results. However, because your ad will be ranking for various queries, you should maintain a close check on it and adjust it when new information becomes available. Description and headline. Your ad copy can mean the difference between a click on your ad and a click on the advertisement of a competitor. Therefore, it is critical that your ad language corresponds to the searcher's intent, is aligned with your target keywords, and addresses the persona's pain point with a clear solution. Let's look at an example to see what we mean. This was the result of a search for infant swim classes. The writing is concise and makes good use of the tiny space available to deliver their message and connect with their target audience. The swim revolution knew how to include their term in their title, so we know right away that this ad is relevant to our search. The description explains why this is the greatest alternative for swim lessons because it answers their persona's concerns, a parent wishing to enroll their baby in a swim class. They use words like skills, joy, confidence, and comfort in the water to calm our fears about putting a baby in a pool and demonstrate that we will receive what we want from this session: a newborn who can swim. Of course, this type of ad text will earn you clicks, but carrying this level of intent onto your landing page copy will result in conversions. Ad extenders. If you utilize Google Ads, you should employ ad extensions for 2 reasons. They are free and provide users with additional information and additional motivation to interact with your ad. These expansions fall into one of the following 5 categories. Site link extensions make you stand out by extending your ad and providing more links to your site, giving users more reasons to click. Call extensions allow you to include your phone number in your ad so that users have an additional and immediate option to contact you. For example, include your phone number if you have a customer care team ready to interact and convert your audience. Location extensions include your address and phone number in your ad so that Google may show searchers a map to help them find you. This option is ideal for businesses having a physical location and works well with the search term "near me." Offer extensions are effective if you're running a current offer. It can tempt visitors to click on your ad above others if they find your selections are cheaper than your competitors. App extensions provide mobile users with a link to download an app. This lowers the friction of doing a new search in an app store to find and download the program. Google Ads should be a component of any paid campaign due to its reach and authority. Use the tips we discussed to get started, and remember to tweak and iterate as you go. There is no such thing as a Google Ads campaign that does not work, only those that require a little more attention. You now have everything you need to construct a successful Google Ad campaign that drives clicks and converts leads using the strategy and information provided above. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the live Hive squad and be a part of our channel. Thank you for watching.